Out of the way, Dopey!
Hi, welcome back to Auto Tip-Off. Enjoy today's video.
Hello and thank you for joining us. Today marks a milestone in Hyundai Motor Company's journey as a smart mobility solutions provider. Our growing Ioniq family is key to our vision of a sustainable future and the electrification of our lineup. The family is based on Hyundai's Electric Global Modular Platform, EGMP, which offers outstanding driving range, ultra-fast charging, and innovative design possibilities. We are pleased to reveal the next concept vehicle in our eco-friendly lineup, the Seven mid-size sport utility electric vehicle.
At Hyundai, we designed to bring exciting and emotional experiences to our customers. The Seven is the epitome of emotional efficiency, from very low, a leading edge of the front hood to aerodynamically curved roofline. Nothing is conventional about the Seven. The doors are asymmetric, one on the driver's side and the pillarless coach doors on the passenger side, already hinting at the special experience that awaits you. When the pillarless coach door opens, the first thing you will notice is a completely new dimension of space. This reshaped space was possible because of streamlined roofline and the long wheelbase, the longest in this vehicle segment. The thoughtful layout could easily be mistaken as a home just by touching the surfaces. The mineral plaster and hygiene-treated fabrics that tells a story of sustainability that echoes throughout the cabin. This is how we designed the first true SUV. Welcome aboard the Seven.
Seven is the perfect example of Ioniq. Everything about it represents our commitment to a human-centered approach. Seven offers flexible space and various in-car appliances which can be personalized for individual passengers. The swiveling front and rear seat, wing-type headrests, as well as a movable footrest give a modern, luxurious home-away-from-home feeling. We installed a 77-inch wide panoramic screen on the Seven's roof, which has never been tried before, to guarantee maximum relaxation and pleasure during the journey. The universal island is another important feature of Seven. This movable console contains a 27-inch display that will instantly turn the vehicle into a personal workspace or even into a theater.
The advanced features of the Seven concept almost seem like science fiction compared to a traditional SUV. That's because we always dream big at Hyundai Motor, unleashing our imaginations to solve the problems our customers face today, while also anticipating their future needs. Its 800-volt charging architecture, combined with the world's first multi-mode charging system, means you can recharge anywhere you can plug in. High-speed commercial chargers can add 50 miles of range in just 5 minutes, or take an Ioniq model like the Seven concept from 10% charge to 80% in 20 minutes. And like our other Ioniq models, the eGMP's vehicle-to-load feature turns the Seven concept into a mobile power source whenever or wherever needed. And that's not all. Seven's vehicle-to-load feature can even help out in the case of a power outage. Research shows that people, especially families, want a big, bold, high-capacity vehicle, not just to meet their needs, but also to improve their lives. Seven is truly the sport utility electric vehicle for the world we now live in. Equipped with relevant technology to keep us safe and connected, and a powertrain to reduce our impact on the planet.
Seven and the entire Ioniq family of dedicated battery electric vehicles are strategic parts of our effort to reach complete carbon neutrality by 2045. For more info on the Ioniq 5 or the new 7 concept, please visit Hyundai.com. Thank you for joining us online around the world. We wish you all happiness and the very best of health.